So welcome to the fourth part where we are discussing the isometric management. In first part, we discussed about the stakeholder expectation and how we are going to meet it, small introduction to isometric and its various sections, then what are the various stages of isometric life cycle, then what are the important items which need to be there in the isometric tracker. So this was covered in first part. In second part, we learned how to create a pivot table, how to add slicers and more than pivot table, and how to merge pivot table and slicers to get the progress report, status of each and every checker and each and every isometric. So in last part, what we had done, we had discussed all the various available options within the pivot table to improve the status reports. In this part, we are going to cover a very important part, that is hold management. At the time of issuing, during the phase of isometric issuing, we will get so many holds in isometrics, or we have hold identified in our list before starting the isometrics, before starting issuing the isometrics. So how we are going to manage all these holds, how we are going to present, how we are going to prepare, and how we are going to clear all these holds, this is what we are going to cover in this video. So if you see what is our main agenda here, preparing summaries using pivot table, then how to share info through mails with all the stakeholders, then how to present details of holds to management if they are coming to meet you when we are sitting in a conference room, and how we are, and in that conference room we are presenting live what are the holds and how these are associated with different disciplines. So this is what we are going to cover in this video. If you see, we are having okay, first let us discuss what are the major items we need to have in our hold list. Okay, then the line number, this is sheet wise details. Hold or clear, against each and every line we have to write hold or clear. Then reason of hold, suppose 1-inch bolt is missing. Okay, pump data is still awaited. Okay, pump data is awaited. Then suppose some instrument item flow element is still missing, control valve size is not fixed. Okay, these kind of holds will always be there with us. We have to list it against each sheet, the reason in detail. Then category, we have to categorize all the holds into few major categories. Okay, for example, bolt missing, this belongs to catalog issue, 3D admin will handle. Who is going to handle? 3D admin. Okay, vendor related data mechanical is going to handle. So all pump related or any equipment related data will come under vendor data check category. Okay, then catalog, vendor data, instrument details missing, so instrument discipline will be instrumentation. So these 5 column are minimum we have to add in our hold list. Line number, hold or not, reason of hold, hold category, we'll look into why this column is required. Then discipline, which discipline is associated with this hold. Okay, so this is the minimum information which is required in the hold list. Now what we have done, we are creating a pivot table. Okay, just right click, insert, and go to pivot. Then we'll come across this thing. These 5 items we have already added in our hold list, headings are there. Okay, we are just dragging this discipline into rows and dragging the discipline into values also. So we'll get the breakup here. Discipline, 3D admin discipline 15. Okay, instrumentation 9, mechanical 7, process 5, and 84 sheets are clear. So total 120 is there. Alright, so 84 are good to go. Rest all sheets are on hold. Then category wise, if you see, we are having another pivot here, same sheet. What we have done, just drag hold into this category and hold into this category. So hold category will be there. So if you see, catalog related issues are 15, instrument related 9, process related 5, and vendor data related 7. So this is the broad category. These things we can always share in our email also. Okay, this is very short summary of our whole list. So we can always copy and paste in our email, and we can share with all the stakeholders during the phase of isometric issuing, and before that also we can use this. Now suppose senior people are coming to you to meet you to discuss all the holds what are the various holds and how we can remove it. In that we may book a conference room and present them all the details live. Okay, in that case if somebody is sitting with us, we are discussing in detail, then we have to have a detailed output with us. Okay, so what we are going to do, same pivot table, we are dragging now reason for hold and count. Okay, so we are getting all the long list will be there mentioning each and every hold. If 1 inch bolt is missing, 1 inch gasket, although these three are belonging to catalog issue and 3D admin team. In previous report we were having one entry against these three. Okay, but here we are having each and every entry, each and every unique entry. Okay, related to 120 sheets, 84 are clear, that is also there. So what, how we are going to present all these items, if we are having suppose 500 or 1000 items, how we are going to present, we are going to use the slicer option here. Just right click on the discipline and add a slicer. Okay, right click on the hold category, add a slicer. So we are having details and two slicers with us. If you see here, we have all the details and two slicers with us. Just click on 3D admin, how many holds belongs to 3D admin, catalog issue, we will get the details. How many holds, if you want to see only instrumentation details, just click over instrumentation and you will get the details. So this way we can easily elaborate our holds to senior team, who can then discuss with project team, or project we can directly show these things to project team and they can directly coordinate with all the disciplines to clear all these holds. Okay, so this is how we are going to cover how to prepare and present holds in the isometrics. So this is a very good option. If we are having, if we don't maintain a hold list, then we will keep on struggling with the hold isometrics. We need to identify all these holds in advance and we have to share the list with the management or project team, so that they will also help us to clear the holds and we'll get the clear isometric with us, then we can easily issue those things. So this is very good tool to answer few of the management questions. In next part we are going to discuss few tricks how to quickly fill the data in tracker. Okay, this is going to be very interesting part, because this is the only thing where we are doing manual activities. If we use few commands, we can quickly fill the data in tracker, which will be easy. Then I mean, once we are having a data in our tracker, we can generate so many reports using pivot table. Other than this, we have already covered some few topics. If you see, introduction to piping, design basis, heat exchanger, plot plan, valve operating, everything we have covered. So 12 sections are there. Total time is mentioned. Short videos are there. Suppose in pipe rack, total 25 minutes are there. Few video containing 4 to 5 videos of duration 5 to 6 minutes are there. So different topics are there with the clear agenda. I'm sure you are liking all these things. So see you in the next part.